Y'all, this wig, this wig, girl, this wig. Oh my gosh, this wig. Baby, you can't tell me nothing. This wig. This wig, girl. Woo, girl, you can't tell me nothing with this wig on.
I pay full price when them jigs in your crib. I know this ain't got from the way that it smell. I'm a big stepper, babe, I need a size 12. Why you trying shit on me if you did it all?
Hi guys, I'm J-Marie and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, hey, how you doing? Today I have a wig review. I am reviewing this wig that I received from the Janet collection. This is the Janet Collection's Natural Yaki Texture, Natural Me Light, Blowout Texture Wig in the style ULLA. This wig has 100% hand-tied on Swiss lace with a deep part lace. It also has special knotting on the back nape along with ear-to-ear soft Swiss lace. And I got this wig in the color 1B, and this wig comes in a range of colors. They are so beautiful, and I'll make sure I'll list those different ranges of colors down below. This wig has adjustable straps in the back along with a comb and 2 combs right in the front. This wig was so easy and simple to style. I pretty much just cut off the lace. And I do think this wig is big head friendly, so I just go in with some of my Gots to Be glue gel, and this lace looks so natural, guys. Look how natural it looks against my skin. It blends in so nice. This wig is beautiful, and I love me a middle part. I'm not sure if it's versatile. I wouldn't think so because of the ear tabs, but you may be able to make it work if you do decide to go for more like a side part. This hair is heat safe, so you can use heat up to 360 degrees. And I went in and just laid down some of the flyaways and like flatten it out a little bit right at the top. Not much, just a little bit, because I didn't want to take away the texture of this hair. The texture of this hair is so realistic, guys. I am blown away at how natural it looks and the amount of bounce and body it has. It's just beautiful. It came with these little rollers. I like that. That way I can roll this up at night and keep my body. Guys, I am loving this. This wig is beautiful and it looks like natural, blown out hair. But this is what the back looks like. Nice and full of body and movement. So nice and cute. Oh, I am in love with this wig, guys. And this wig is less than $30. What, it's like $29.94. Very inexpensive. A beautiful wig, and the density on this wig is phenomenal. I mean, it has a nice amount of density, just looks very full. I think I would be rocking this wig a lot this fall, but it is so me. I love this wig, guys. I am in love with this wig. I feel like this is a must-have wig, especially if you are a wig wearer and you're looking for a natural type wig. And this is also a good beginner's wig as well, because I pretty much did not do a lot. I have actually no cons on this wig. This wig is beautiful. I am loving it. The texture of it, the volume, the curls. I love that I can play with it in so many different ways. You can flip it up. On the card, the lady had it flipped up, and I like that little flip right there. Gorgeous. So guys, this pretty much wraps up my review on this wig from Jenny Collections. Make sure you check the description box down below. That way you can check out their Natural Me Lite line. If you enjoyed this review, give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know if you do have this wig, and also subscribe if you're not subscribed. I would love for you to join my fam. I hope you guys are doing well whatever day and time you are watching this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Got kicked, let me grip tight up a little bit. Throw deep, let me grip tight